national media. That's very good. Okay.
Yes.
Look, we are living in the India, so it means India is everything.
India is everything
Are you
for me.
agree or not? Not for you, for everyone.
For everyone.
We are Indian, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Exactly. Where you live, tell me one thing. That which things are not good in Delhi?
In Delhi.
Yeah.
Nali drain and garbage mountain in biggest in our Delhi, in capital of Delhi, biggest garbage.
Is it done now?
Yes, it's
So
done.
is it? It's all about in Delhi where we live. That's look. If there is so many people that who's cleaning that, but let's suppose I have cleaned this room. I have cleaned. I've cleaned up 100 times.
100 times.
Okay, but still that's gonna be like dirty.
Clean.
And that's gonna be dirty.
Dirty.
How? Because every time sweats come here. So it's also your responsibilities that you are going to make a dust or not.
Yes.
Got it? You also got it. What he's doing, man?
That is the matter.
Wait.
For the media is
Hammy.
media
It's not debate. We are in politics now, like we're doing that. So it's
Yeah.
not a debate. We can't talk together. So just listen to me the whole thing, then you can speak. So what's our problem, guys, in the generation? That we just only see others' mistakes, not our mistakes. If we are good in everywhere, so every will be the good things. Let's suppose, wait a minute now. I am eating a chips, okay? There is a wrapper. If I throw it on road, it's gonna be dust. Okay? If I speed there, it's gonna be dust. If I drink something else, if I gonna
But
speed there,
there
so
have
who's responsible for this?
board to 5,000
Who's
rupees fine, then
responsible for this?
everyone not do that.
Who's
That is
responsible?
the matter.
That doesn't matter. Who's responsible for this? You are not taking your mistakes. Why are you not agree with that your mistakes? That you're also wrong.
I
You're
am
doing what?
agree, but
You're agree.
something
That's
is
debate
wrong
over, guys.
in
Debate
your
over.
everything. I
What you heard?
something problem in your
Wait. What do you mean by agree? What do you mean by agree? What do you mean by agree?
But
Agree means agree. You
Sometimes
said
I
that.
am agree and
You can
sometimes I
say-
am not agree.
Yo, Jason, ताली बजाओ यार.
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly, guys. Speak loudly. Wait.
The topic is on advantages of electric vehicles.
Sorry.
Advantages of electric vehicles.
Why close to it? Sorry.
A normal electric scooty take only 20 rupees to charge up battery,
Yes.
and 1 liter petrol
It's taking around 90 or
90
95.
is 94 rupees, and a normal scooty can run 45 km to 50 km, but a battery scooty can run 20 rupees 100 kilometers.
Agree हूँ?
Yes, I'm agree.
I am agree.
भाई सारे agree हैं. सारे agree हैं.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6 बस.
सब agree हैं.
मेरे में तो सब हुए थे. होना पड़ा है तो टॉपिक ही था.
होना नहीं पड़ा सारे तुम्हारे नहीं हुए.
अरे सर इधर भी तो बोल नहीं पा रहा था. इधर भी तो ना एग्री हो
ओके
सकते.
ओके.
लेकिन मैं डिबेट करने वाला मैंने खुद ऐसे कर दिया. मैंने सबसे कम मेरे लिए करा था, मैंने करा.
जेनिफर को क्या हो गया?
Good evening everyone.
What happened,
My name is
Jennifer?
Sachin. Today I am
Guys,
standing in favor of media. Media tell about public and social media
Yes.
through TV, phone and internet. For example, during COVID-19,
बोलने जल्दी.
media informed us to wear masks and
Who's talking?
use sanitizer
Yes.
and all things.
देख के मैं देख के बोल रही हूँ.
लेडीज व्हाट आर यू
Carry on.
लेडीज व्हाट इज सेइंग.
So I'm agree with that. तो इसमें disagree वाली बात भी तो बताओ कुछ. आपने सारे एक फेवर बताया कि कोविड टाइम पे मीडिया ने कहा था कि मास्क पहनो और सैनिटाइजर यूज करो. तो इससे आप बताना क्या चाहते हो ये भी तो बताओ. तभी तो अग्री कर रहे होंगे.
And also Israel and Palestine
So are they showing fake or real? ये बताओ ना. In media.
मतलब मीडिया फेक दिखाती है या सही दिखाती है?
ये बताओ.
Sometimes media uses fake and also real.
बाउंड बैठ जा।
तुझे देख के भूल जाएंगे. Yes, I am agree with her. Agree है यार.
Yes.
चलो कोई agree नहीं है क्या? मैं तो हूँ agree. Debate करो.
टॉपिक का कोई ना भाई उन्होंने बोला कि पहलू है बट मतलब
ये एक सेकंड, ये दोनों तरफ है तो फिर डिबेट कैसे होगा?
वही तो मैं भी भाई बोला दोनों तरफ का है।
वो कह रही है
यहाँ पे
चलो 3, 2, 1 go and start.
Hello everyone, I am talking about new generation,
डिसएग्री से कुछ बोला है?
modern generation. Today we are feeling proud of this generation because this generation can do anything. And in all time, all people can't access internet and can't invent satellite, spaceship and many things. Because this generation is very smarter than all times guys. And this time we have internet, social media. We can connect every person only one click in our mobile. Because Gen Z is very smarter than all times people.
I am agree with him. ताली तो बजाओ यार. यार सलमान भाई क्यों बता रहे हो? मुझसे बोल रहे हो. Yes. Who's not agree with him? Speak. Who's not agree? Sandy, Jennifer and David. Speak. नहीं कर रहे डिबेट तो मैं कर लूंगा.
हाँ सर आप करो.
Please stand
brother,
up.
how can you say that,
Debate with
this
me.
generation is good? Your father is also from
No, don't need to stand.
your father is also from their generation, so you can say that your father is not good.
कहना होता है सामने.
Listen me. Because all
Wait.
time
Now I
have
will
no
say to you. You
technology.
said that your father is not good. It means you're also not good. Now you can say go.
I said,
Look, every sons or almost sons, they become like their father. How can you say that your father is not good? It means you're also
अरे
not good.
just a minute.
Wait, your
wait,
father,
wait.
your father is given everything.
Wait.
How can you say that your father is
Wait,
not
wait,
good?
he's going
Wait,
personal.
who teach you to speak? Who
Why
teach
is
you to
going
walk?
on?
Who teach you to go
Father,
somewhere? Tell me that. Wait.
Because
Okay.
I'm not talking about my father.
A person is also living in a generation.
5 सेकंड पहले इसे
What are you
टॉपिक में बताना
talking?
क्या
They are
है?
living in a
एक
generation,
मिनट
right?
चाहिए. एक मिनट चाहिए बस समझने के लिए.
You are
समझदार के लिए इशारे का.
समझदार के लिए
Can be smart.
My father
Your
tell me what do you
cousin
mean? It means he can't. He's not.
And he is also.
What you wanna say? Wait, what
Because
you wanna
this
say?
generation,
Wait,
this
Harry.
generation is fast. All time not have technology.
Who's teaching you to walk? I wanna say one more thing. Wait, be silent now. I wanna say that you are able to learn something. You are able to read something. Because of what?
First you will
You are able to read or not?
Gen Z
You
generation.
are able to read or not? You are able to read that or not?
Yes, I am.
Because of your father, your family, your teacher, and they are from old generation. Okay.
I'm talking about my father. But listen, I'm talking about my father. The topic is Gen Z generation.
Just
Digital
listen
generation.
me.
Talking about digital generation. Okay.
Sir, I wanna say one. Do you know you are also from before generation because you are also old man. You are also grandfather of someone.
Whoa! It means you are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar.
There are three parents. But there are many people are angry. There are old people are angry.
You are liar.
How can you explain?
Because you are old man.
No, because you are a liar.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Because you are grandfather.
You don't say anything, only shut up, shut up.
क्या मतलब है?
तो आ रहा था तब नहीं बोलने दिया आपने
बस कहना मत हो।
जेनिफर में जब बोलना था
Because you are grandfather of someone.
This is the generation.
ये देखो
Look at
क्या
this is the
बात है।
Please don't say that. You are doing video.
I'm telling you. Wait, let us
You can say that. Not good.
Sir, you said that this generation is good.
Yes.
This generation knows how to cheat someone only, okay? Learn from your father. He knows how to love with your mother. Alright?
Listen to him, listen to him.
How can you
He loves
How can you say that?
Why?
Because you are not married. Everywhere is not married. You can't say we will not marry our future wife.
Okay. I'm not talking about wait. I'm not talking about future. I'm talking about judgment. You can go to the Google and search that how many people are cheat and how many people got divorced someone. Then you will see the result. There will be 50 or 60.
This is the opportunity.
No opportunity to
Yes.
That's
Girls have right. Girls
I'm
can.
talking about your
Girls
father.
can.
He's a male. He's a male. Yes, I'm talking about. Does your father love your mother or not?
Yes.
Are they from old generation or not?
All generation.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
So do you wanna be like your father or not? Like they love.
yes or no?
Wait.
I wanna be
Like yourself. You wanna
smarter than my father.
No. I'm asking to you. The way your father loves your mother, you wanna love your wife in future or not? Like that.
I will love.
That's all, guys. Game is over. Sir, तुझसे agree नहीं हूँगा मैं. Carry on.
सर मगर बोलना जरूर है इसके लिए भी 3-4 एक साथ मैं बोल दूँ
Shut your mouth.
Hello everyone, my name is Davis. I just wanna talk about people, how people changes. As you can see that today's people change every time, everywhere. You can see that. That's everyone relationship now. Relationships not good because of people changes. Because of people changes. You can see that everyone has breakup because of people change every time. If people not change, then you can see that everything is good, going good.
You wanna say that this relationship or
Now time
human
now
behavior
time
change
people
suddenly.
not good
Not good.
because of
They
that
change
they
anytime.
change anytime.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you think about yourself? I'm not agree. Who's agree first of all? Who's agree कि लोग जल्दी बदल जाते हैं? कौन agree है इस बात?
एक ही तो है सर एक ने बताया अभी
Agree हो तो बजाओ ना वापस. जो agree है वो बजाओ. Okay. चलो. मैं agree नहीं हूँ. Wait.
I'm also not agree.
Also, I'm not.
Okay, let. Be
Be
silent now.
No agree him no.
Be silent. So you wanna say that
Yes.
people change so much?
Yes.
Suddenly, what do you think about yourself?
I am changed. See the people, how people treat me. Yes. Then I am changed.
So you wanna say that people change? It means you don't change, right?
Yes.
Exactly. You don't change.
No.
You're
I
also
am
not. Right? This is the game.
I will treat
But you
them
don't
good.
change, right?
But
You don't change, right?
people change.
You change or not? I'm not talking
Yes,
about.
I also change. If people change, I also change.
He change one sentence.
Can you
come on.
carry on, बोलूंगा.
But अपन सुन,
Sometimes was here.
just like your father mother, he can't change. Just like that, he said in relationship every person change, but his father and his mother and also her every mother and father not change. Why?
I said,
Are you
today's
agree
people,
with your father mother?
not their people.
Are you agree with your father
Listen
mother?
carefully. Sit down.
He's talking about nowadays of
Relationship
Not
बोला है.
Clear what is clear? You are here. Sit down.
What is
Sit down.
That's not a topic.
मैं नहीं इसी बोतल से बजा दूंगा, बता रहा हूँ.
ये कर रहा है.
दोनों को
Divider बजाओ मत यार.
I mean, I'm not agreeing with you. That's it. Because you are on wrong points. That's why. Carry on, guys.
उन्होंने टुडे बोला था भाई ध्यान से listen.
Carry on. Carry on. Nobody's gonna debate.
एक के साथ दो फ्री.
I wanna say something to you.
Something.
Yes.
Jackson,
Don't say anything, brother.
You are saying every people are changed, but this is wrong
How can you say that?
because you can see your mother, you can see your father, you can see your brother.
He's mad. Amy is also saying that.
Guys and guys, wait. Let me clear to you. The thing is that he's saying that nowadays people are not good. Not the old generation or something is like
I
that.
am not talking about his
You're talking
mother
about his
living in
mother.
this generation.
No.
Yes. This is agree. This is point of
He's
view.
living in this generation or this era, but he's not from this generation, right? He's not Gen Z. She's not Gen Z,
I am
right?
not talking about Gen Z.
But you're
We
talking
are
about
also
Gen Z.
not about
He's
Gen
talking
Z.
about Gen
Now
Z
time.
people.
Now time
He's
people.
talking about Gen Z people, bro.
Peoples also.
Gen Z people.
He's-
He's talking about
You don't say.
No,
You
that
don't
Nowadays, what do
say.
you mean? Nowadays, what do you mean?
हम क्या करें?
What do you mean nowadays?
I am talking about.
What do you mean
He also
nowadays?
leave.
What do you mean nowadays?
He also leave.
What do you mean nowadays, people?
Now talking about love relationship. But love
Wait,
is not
carry on,
everything.
carry on.
He's talking about love relationship, but love is not everything, brother.
Yes.
But trust is
Your-
everything,
your
brother.
friends-
No,
No, why are you not trust to everyone? Why are you not trust to everyone?
Exactly.
Your
Because of
mistake.
people change.
Your mistake.
People change.
First of all, you change. You change and after that he change. That's it. First he change and he don't have any point of view. First of all, he change and he treat to everyone that then he will change it.
If you treat
First
me
of
like
all,
you treat me good, I treat
No,
you.
yeah,
What is
no,
that?
you don't
Wait.
have any point.
What is the topic then? What is the debate? If you're saying that if he'll give me the good way, so I'll treat him in a good way.
Yes.
If he'll treat me bad, so I'll treat him bad, right?
Yes.
So what's the topic? What's the
What
debate?
if he change? I also change.
So what's the topic? It means you're also behaving like him. You're also like him. You're not you, which you can be.
I am saying that people change.
Carry
I am
on.
saying that people change it every time.
No, I'm angry with David. You're right. Carry on.
Yeah.
Every time.
दोनों एक साथ.
Every
सर भी
time.
change होते हैं.
Anytime.
सर भी change
What is
होते
that?
हैं.
Every time.
I change, say to everyone. Now
Sir,
I'm
change
with
your time. Why sir not changing with you?
because
I
I
also change with you.
I
Because
change.
He's
your
why
friends
are you?
is
Sir is
Now
sitting
he's
in meeting. Sir is saying. Sir is
Sir is with
saying.
him. I'm sitting here.
अरे यार ये
here,
बोल रहा है ये भी
here.
change
No,
हो रहा
sir,
है. Boyfriend
present
change
बता दो
हो
जा
रहा
रहे
है.
हैं.
And you are also
Sir,
change.
change. How can you say that? Do you have any proof?
Because of you are coming at 5 p.m. and now you are 8 p.m.
That's the time. That's not a change. You
You
said
are
people
change.
change.
Okay, okay.
That's not
You
time
said
change.
one.
Time change is other and change
You
person
give-
अलग.
Okay.
Person अलग.
Person changing person types अलग.
Carry on.
It's different. It's different.
Before you are coming at 5 p.m. and you are doing your tuition
And you are making
and
friends also.
you are making friends. That time you say that 5 p.m. students are very good, and now you are saying that is no one is good.
Yeah. You said that.
Where I said? When I said?
I am agree with you.
First of all, you
said that.
He said that or not?
Yes.
not
Yes.
say.
Yes.
Only sir say.
Yes.
His son
Yes.
is very broken and everyone know that.
Bro, I'm telling you one. Wait.
Where?
Sir is
When I say?
No, I'm not saying that. Sir is in one place, it's 20 in another place, right? If sir is saying something, interpreter is saying right.
What is
That's
that?
all.
But you will agree with him that that's
no,
not a
I
matter.
agree with you.
That I am agree
I
that
agree with
because
you.
of I am right.
I'm
in
agree
this
with you,
place.
man.
What are you saying?
I'm agree with you. You said that they are not good, they are good, now they are good. So I'm agree with you, right?
Change.
Yes.
नहीं वो कहता ना कि पहले अच्छे से
मैंने तो कहा ही नहीं पहले
मैंने
बात
करो, किसको करना है?
मैंने तो ऐसा
मैं
कुछ
तो
कहा ही
ये-
नहीं।